The idea of making money while you sleep sounds almost too good to be true. After all, most people are taught that income comes from trading time for money, work more hours, earn more income. But what if your income wasn't tied directly to every hour you worked? That's the concept behind passive income. While many people imagine it as effortless money, the reality is a little different. Today we will talk about how to make money while you sleep. Passive income explained. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. 10. Passive income is not what most people think it is. The idea of making money while you sleep sounds almost too good to be true. Social media is filled with stories of people claiming they earn thousands of dollars every day without doing any work. Because of this, many people imagine passive income as a magical system that generates endless cash with little effort. The reality is very different. Passive income is not about making money without work. It is about doing the work up front and continuing to earn money from that work later. In most cases, passive income requires time, effort, money, or skills before it starts producing results. 9. Active income and passive income are different. Most people earn active income. They trade their time, skills, and effort for money. When they stop working, the income stops as well. A traditional job is the most common example. Passive income works differently. Instead of being paid only when you work, you create or acquire something that continues generating income over time. This could be an investment, a business system, a digital product, or another income-producing asset. The goal is not necessarily to stop working altogether. The goal is to build income sources that are not completely dependent on your daily effort. 8. Investing is one of the most common sources of passive income. When people think about passive income, investing is often the first thing that comes to mind. Investments can generate returns through dividends, interest, or long-term growth. By putting money into productive assets, investors allow their capital to work on their behalf. The more assets a person owns, the greater the potential for passive income. While investing is not a guaranteed path to wealth and always involves risk, it remains one of the most widely used methods for creating income that does not require constant day-to-day involvement. 7. Digital products can generate income for years. One of the most powerful passive income opportunities created by the internet is digital products. These can include ebooks, online courses, templates, guides, design assets, software tools, educational materials, and membership content. The reason digital products are attractive is that they can often be created once and sold repeatedly. Unlike physical products, there is usually no inventory to manage or shipping to handle. The work happens up front during creation. If the product solves a real problem and reaches the right audience, it can continue generating revenue long after it has been completed. 6. Content creation can become passive over time. Many people do not realize that content can become a long-term asset. Videos, articles, podcasts, and educational resources can continue attracting viewers and generating income months or even years after they are published. While creating content requires significant effort initially, successful content libraries often continue producing value over time. Some creators earn advertising revenue, affiliate commissions, sponsorship income, or product sales from content they created years earlier. This is one reason content creation has become such a popular wealth-building strategy in the digital economy. 5. Businesses can be designed to generate ongoing income. Many people assume all businesses require constant involvement from the owner. While that may be true in the beginning, successful businesses often become more automated as they grow. Systems, processes, software, and teams can reduce the amount of direct involvement required. The owner may still oversee operations, but the business itself can continue generating revenue without depending entirely on their daily labor. This ability to create systems that produce income is one of the reasons business ownership has historically been a powerful path to wealth. 4. Passive income usually takes time. One of the biggest misconceptions about passive income is that it happens quickly. In reality, most successful passive income streams take months or years to build. Investments need time to grow. Content needs time to attract an audience. Businesses need time to establish customers. Digital products need time to gain visibility. The people who succeed with passive income are usually willing to be patient. They understand that the goal is not instant results, but long-term financial growth. Patience is often the ingredient that separates successful passive income builders from those who quit too early. 3. Passive income still requires maintenance. Even the best passive income streams are rarely completely passive forever. Investments require monitoring. Businesses require occasional oversight. Digital products may need updates. Content creators often continue improving and expanding their libraries. The good news is that maintenance usually requires far less effort than starting from scratch every day. Instead of constantly exchanging time for money, passive income allows you to leverage previous work to continue generating future income. The effort does not disappear completely, but it becomes far more efficient. 2. The real goal is financial freedom. Many people focus on passive income because they want to make more money. While additional income is certainly valuable, the deeper benefit is freedom. Every dollar earned passively reduces dependence on a single paycheck. As passive income grows, people gain more flexibility over how they spend their time. They may have more choices regarding work, travel, family, education, or personal goals. Financial freedom is not necessarily about becoming incredibly wealthy. It is about creating enough income-producing assets that money becomes less of a daily concern. 1. The secret is building assets, not chasing income. The biggest lesson about passive income is that it is really a result of asset ownership. People who earn money while they sleep usually own something that produces value. They own investments, businesses, content libraries, digital products, intellectual property, real estate, or other assets that continue working even when they are not. Most people spend their lives focusing only on income, while financially successful individuals focus on building assets that generate income automatically. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.